Oh, this is just perfect. We're inside a giant worm. Now what in the cog's name are we supposed to do?
Come on, man, let's just cut our way out this bitch.
No. First we kill it. Then we cut our way out.
What?
This is what's sinking the cities. This is our chance to stop it.
And how the hell are we supposed to do that?
Rip its goddamn heart out. Come on, let's move.
Oh, man, look at this shit. It's straight nasty down here. The fuck we at?
It just keeps getting better.
All right, keep in step with me. Don't fall behind.
For all we know, this thing's heart's like a mile away from here. How are we supposed to find it anyway?
Baird, shut up. Keep watch for Carmine. If we made it, he might have too.
Think this might be the heart?
There's no arteries or veins. No, this is something else.
Yeah, but what?
There's something up ahead.
Sarge?
Carmine.
I hurt, Sarge. Tell my brothers and my mom. Tell them I love them. And huh? What the hell is it doing?
Oh, come on, stop pissing it off!
How the hell you gonna tell me when not to shoot in here? Look at this shit!
Oh, that's why.
Run!
God damn this diggity!
Concentrate your fire on the opening!
It's opening!
Keep moving! Watch your step!
Damn it!
Don't think about it! Saw that shit open, baby! kind of meat you want? Center cut, ribeye, T-bone? I'm with my spread.
About time.
Let's keep moving. If this is the stomach, the heart and the lungs have gotta be something. Go, go, go!
Yeah, as long as its physiology plays by the rules.
I don't get nightmares, but I know I'm gonna be seeing this shit in my sleep.
This place stinks like gas, man.
Ass. More like cheesy writing. Toe jam ass.
Forget the smell. This place is toxic. Well, we're on a one-way trip, so keep moving.
We gotta get the hell out of here!
All right, Delta, we gotta be getting close.
So where the hell are we now?
Looks like the sternum, or at least the giant worm equivalent of the sternum.
And the heart's gotta be close, right?
One can hope.
Hold up, listen. That a heartbeat?
Yeah, and the end of this crazy ride.
Welcome to the heart.
Glad that's over.
Now we can cut our way out this bitch.
Good job, Delta. One dead worm.
Wait. I still hear a heartbeat.
God damn it.
Looks like we still got our work cut out for us. You know, like with the land here. Never mind.
Yeah, clever, Bear. We got it.
Of course they gotta be up there. Another heartbeat?
Crying out loud, how many hearts are there, Bear?
How the hell should I know?
It doesn't matter. We'll cut them all. It's getting faster. We can put this thing down.
Oh, this is just wrong. I'm coughing up blood that ain't mine.
Control! Delta here. We just, I don't know where to even begin, but just get us the hell out of here.